Hey everyone, so this video is going to walk us through simplifying rational expressions. We're going to start off by just simplifying where there's one term in the numerator and one term in the denominator. So what you're going to start off by doing is looking at your coefficients, which are 15 and 30, and reducing that fraction. So reducing that 15 over 30 fraction. And so this reduces to 1 over 2. And then what you're going to look at is your variables with the exponents. Now, when you multiplied, say we were multiplying x to the third times x squared, you keep the variable and you add the exponents. But with division, you're going to keep the variable, but this time instead of adding, you're going to subtract. And so you'll take the exponent in the numerator minus the exponent of the denominator. So it would be 3 minus 2. So this is really x to the first power. And so that is the reduced form of it. When your exponent is positive, the variable will go into your numerator. So you really would have 1x over 2, which can be written as x over 2. And that's the simplified version. Okay, if I'm going to simplify the second one, well, I'm going to reduce my fraction, and I can reduce by 20. You can also use the calculator to reduce. So 20 goes into 100 5 times, and 20 goes into 84 times. Don't forget that negative. And once again, we're going to subtract those exponents. So you have p to the 3 minus 6. You have negative 5 over 4. P to the, 3 minus 6 is negative 3. And so now my exponent is negative. And so when it's positive, like in the first example, the variable goes in the numerator. When it is negative, the variable goes in the denominator. Okay, and so once you put it into the denominator, your exponent should be positive. Most questions you'll see will say, please write an answer with all positive exponents. And it just means you need to identify if the exponent is negative, it goes into the denominator.